पेपर बोट, जब हम ये शब्द सुनते हैं तब हमारे ख्यालों में आती है बारिश और उस बारिश के पानी में बहने वाली एक छोटी सी कागज की कश्ती। स्कूल में आर्ट और क्राफ्ट्स के क्लास में हमने ओरिगामी में कुछ पेपर से फोल्ड करना सीखा, वो था पेपर बोट बनाना। पेपर बोट ये हमें बचपन की यादों में ले जाती है और इसी नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग को पेपर बोट ने अपने मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी में अपनाया। इस वीडियो में हम जानने वाले हैं पेपर बोट की मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में एंड हाउ दे यूज द फीलिंग ऑफ नॉस्टैल्जिया टू एस्टैब्लिश देमसेल्व्स इन द मार्केट। बट बिफोर वी गेट स्टार्टेड, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल if you haven't already and press the bell icon for more notifications and updates. It is manufactured by Hector Beverages, founded by Neeraj Kakkar, Neeraj Biyani, Suhas Mishra and James Nuttal. शुरुआत में जब पेपर बोट entered the market, they only concentrated on digital marketing because वो सस्ता था, and they did that by depicting childhood memories through illustrations, doodles, and using various themes. When it comes to marketing, mostly companies resort to marketing their product, whereas paper boat resorted to marketing a feeling of nostalgia. अगर हम उनके डिजिटल या ट्रेडिशनल एड्स को देखें, all of them reek of nostalgia, and this is evident through the various campaigns like Ma, Me and Our Little Secret, An Ode to Our Friendship, A Paperboat Ride Down the River of Memories, where the poems are written and narrated by Gulzar Saab. Paperboat dwells on powerful storytelling through its short format videos like Rizwan, My First Train Ride, When I Grew Up, Jab Bachche The, and more. The brand aims to take you on a ride through the river of memories. After all, उनकी tagline ही तो है, drinks and memories. Paperboat has not restricted itself to just billboards or newspapers or phone screens or laptop screens. It has also used its packaging for marketing its products. On Paperboat's drinks, you will find little stories, and you might also find humorous little messages at the bottom of the pack. If you ever buy a Paperboat product, you can just click a picture and tag Marketing Mind in it. Before Paperboat entered the market, if you wanted to drink sugarcane juice, kokum sharbat or aam panna, you had to go to the local vendor. Paperboat entered the market with a blue ocean strategy, which means that they did not have any other competitor and they created a market for traditional Indian fruit-based drinks. Their target audience was people between the age of 20 to 40 who have moved away from their hometowns to bigger cities for jobs or higher education. The aim of the product was to fulfill the craving for home through its ingredients and taste, and the marketing strategy was aimed at helping people relive their childhood memories. As it was a new entrant in the market, they wanted to increase their reach, and they did that by partnering with Top Ramen, Indigo, and other food manufacturers that had large distribution networks. After Paperboat diversified its menu of fruit juices, it ventured into manufacturing products like Thandai, Chas, Chikki, Aam, Papad, etc. Even though Paperboat made traditional Indian drinks, it did not restrict its distribution within India. It targeted countries with dense Indian population like United Arab Emirates, US, UK, Malaysia, etc. All in all, Paperboat's marketing strategy helps us look at the world through the eyes of a child. It retains the innocence of childhood, and it makes us reminisce the memories that seem so distant. Paperboat's sheer attempt of keeping things simple and evoking feelings made it a popular brand. Tell us why you like Paperboat in the comments, and if you like this video, follow Marketing Mind on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Tell us what you want us to make a video on next and share the video with your friends. Also, stay tuned for the next video.